When we think about using Canva for UDL, especially with regards to accessibility, one word that comes to mind or one feature of Canva is the ability to make a website in Canva. And you can do this very easily and start from a template. But what better way to make your information accessible to your students at all times, or even their families or other educators that you work with or beyond? So the accessibility piece in Canva is extremely prevalent, but I'm going to show you just with a focus on how to create a website. So I can search for a website template. Oops, I can search here for a website template. I can go up to create a design and search for a website template. But I'm just going to click on the website icon here and scroll down. You'll see that there are just an overall website template area, some business websites, some portfolio websites, and here are the education websites. So I'm going to go to see all, and I'm going to select the Classroom Hub option. And this will give me the ability to create a Classroom Hub. It will start me off with all of the pages on that website, and I can customize it right down to any element that I want to change: colors, text. I could add or delete pages. So at first glance, you're just going to see that this is your landing page, and here are all your icons that will support your links to other pages. So if I scroll down, for instance, here's my today's agenda link. If I scroll down, here's my today's agenda page as it would be if it were a website. I can click in any text box. I can modify any text. I can change colors. If I would like to make the website closer to my class colors or my school colors, I can modify that. I'm going to scroll down just to show you how easy it is to edit and publish this. There's a Meet the Teacher area. If I wanted to upload a picture of myself in there, I'm going to search my uploads here. And I'm going to drag the picture of myself in there. Voila. I can add my contact information. There's a resource page for parents. And if I wanted to duplicate this page and use the template and just change the information and add different pictures, I could do that, or I can add a blank page here. Now, how do I go about publishing this? I will show you this. I go over here. I can preview what this will look like. So if I click that, it's going to show me what it looks like on a desktop. It's going to show me what it will look like on a mobile device. I want to make sure I have this checkbox checked, resize on mobile. And then I also like to include a navigation menu where this will be your landing page and allow whoever is viewing your website this navigation menu. And I can even scroll down. It's very, very cool. And then I'm going to go to publish website when I'm ready. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to create a URL. So let's go down here. Here's my website URL. And I'm going to make this Mrs. Cooper's Classroom. And Canva will let me know if that's available. It is available. You have the option to use a custom domain, and then you have some publishing settings. So I'm going to arrow over to show you those. You can describe your website. I'm going to change or edit the name of my website. So I'm going to call that Mrs. Cooper's Classroom Hub. And I can write a page description if I would like. There are some advanced settings here too. So if you would like password protection enabled, you will be able to only allow people to access your website if they have this password. I'm going to uncheck that. You can make this so that you can't find it on a search engine. So you can disable search engine visibility. And you can also choose how your link will appear when shared on social platforms. So I'm going to enable that. And then I'm going to go to publish. It's going to prepare my design. And it is now live. And I can go here to copy this if I wanted to share this out to families, or I could go to view my website, and it's going to bring me to my Classroom Hub. And if I click on Meet the Teacher, it will bring me to that page, Meet the Teacher name. Here's a photo I added. Let's see, click here to show you the navigation menu. Meet the Teacher brings me right down to that page. So it's definitely another way to create a resource for your students and families so that they can access it. Again, if you make any changes, you'll see this message. If you continue editing this design, you will need to publish it again to update your website. So if you do go in and make changes to your calendar or your class news, all you need to do is, I'll go into edit, you need to republish it. And the other really interesting thing that you can do with this is you can use the resize and magic switch to translate your design to another language. So if you have a student who speaks another language in your class, or if you have multilingual language learners, you can translate this for them and share that link out with them. So I can actually show you this. Let's change this to, we can change it to Arabic. And then you translate your existing design. We want to create a copy. I go to translate, and it's going to actually open the new website. And now I have all of my information that I want to share with my families, but it is translated as well. So I have the English one, and I also have the option to publish that translated version and also share that out with families. So that's another very easy way to make your information more accessible and more available to families and students.